Hello everyone. I'm back with the second glue book share. So we'll just get right into this. This was a children's book and it's called Chickens Aren't the Only Ones. And it's a book about all the other animals and insects and even mammals that lay eggs, just like chickens. And I used some polka dot fabric, kind of reminded me of eggs. And again, the ribbon is just slid underneath the binding strings there. I used baker's twine. Here's the back. I have chickens actually, for anyone who might be interested. We have 5 chickens. We don't live in a farm. We live in a small town, but we're allowed to have hens. So we have 5 of them, and I just love them. They're the funniest animals. They really are, and they're way smarter than I think people give them credit for. But they're very fun to have, and we get lots of eggs. So again, this one has sticker sheets inside, just to get anyone started on their glue book adventures. We've got a little envelope here and some book pages from the book. Look at these pictures. I don't know. I liked this book a lot. I thought the images were just stunning. Some scrapbook paper, same old, same old. We've got some inserts from a magazine and some atlas pages, map pages, sheet music, calendars, greeting cards. That was one of the pages from the book. This one I had to, I'm so funny. I am deathly afraid of spiders. There's another interesting fact for you. I don't even like images of spiders. Now, if they're illustrations, I'm a little better, which is what is underneath this flap. It is an illustration, but as a person with arachnophobia, I wanted to cover that up, and then I wanted to warn you before I open the flap because I would appreciate it if somebody did that for me. So I'm going to open the flap, and there is a picture of a spider underneath. So here you go. All right, we did it. I have been known to many times throw my phone across the room if I come across a post on Facebook with spiders. I have been known to throw magazines and books. I homeschooled my kids all through their schooling, and we would get magazines and books, obviously educational science books and stuff, and we would come across a picture of a spider, and I would just chuck the book across the room and scream. So it is a real fear, and it's not fun. So all right, moving on. Here's an envelope. But I wanted to include that. I debated just not even including that page in this book, but I'm like, I'm probably the only person in the world that is that messed up about spiders. So, and you know what? It can be covered up, so that's fine too. Some more calendars. I just loved this card with these little butterflies that are popped up off the page. Fish page from the book. Seahorses. This is the middle, and these have just little pockets to tuck stuff. Each of the middles of the signatures. When it's dark, look for stars. I like that. This beautiful butterfly. It's a page from the book. I mean, just the pictures are just stunning. And then you've got an anteater. Okay, I just have to share this sheet music came from a book I found at the thrift store. It's Richard Marx, for anyone of my age who would remember Richard Marx, but it's all sheet music from his music. So I just thought that was kind of funny, and I added that in there because it's still music. And then, oh, look at these eggs. And I mean, look how pretty they are. It shows you the largest egg and then the little itty bitty, can you see that? Itty bitty tiny hummingbird egg. And snakes. And lizards. And then we just have a little flip here. And that's the first signature. There we go. Some more Richard Marx music. A little flip. Oops, sorry about that. This came from a calendar about, it was all pictures of storms. So there's lots of lightning pictures. I just thought it was pretty. Another flip. Bunch of insects. No spiders on that page, so I'm good. The middle. Another envelope there. Hopefully I am centered. This was from a calendar. It was called Fractals. I just thought that was perfect for a glue book. Bright and pretty pictures. Oh, there's that spider again. Sorry about that. Here, we'll quickly get past that. Come on, hurry, hurry. Oh, well, here's a map. Hold on, gotta show you. Move him out of the page, or out of the frame. Another map that folds all the way out. Lots of room. All right, Mr. Spider. Okay. Whew. I have a problem, but admitting that I have the problem is the first step, right? So at least I'm through the first step. And the last signature. You can even sing along with this sheet music from Richard Marx. It's got the lyrics. This was, my mom gave this to me. It had notepaper inside, but I just thought it was really pretty. And I just reinforced it a bit with some washi tape because it's kind of been through some stuff. It's a little bit old, so it's just a little pocket to add some things. Pretty fish, little flip. I love this card. Kitties, another one of my favorite things because I have 6 of those. The pocket. Oops. Another little envelope here. Beautiful swan. ostrich. And that's the end. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will be back later with a little share of a lap book that I made that I'm pretty excited about. And I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.